again. Welcome back. So today I will finally be catching you guys up on Bee Swarm. As you can tell, things changed. Got a diamond mask and a bunch of honey. I made 0 today. I've made a lot more honey because I am a blue hive. Temporarily, okay? Temporarily. I know my blue hive build sucks. Like, my blue hive build is really bad compared to the top people. I also got the 50th hive slot recently, but that's off topic. But I'm just doing it for honey because my main goal right now is to get the petal planter. See this? I have all the materials. I miraculously made the 25 super smoothies. I have a bunch of swirled wax. All I need is the honey. So, I started doing illegal methods to get the honey. Don't ask how. And now, I have a bunch of honey. I've never had more than about 2 trillion at a time. Why is it so laggy? So yeah. Sadly, Bee Swarm is not being included in the brand new Easter egg update, but it has been, how long has it been since my last Bee Swarm video? How long has it been? Videos. Oh yeah, go watch that one. Brand new. It has been 2 months since my last Bee Swarm video. So, I think we have a lot to catch up on. No Beesmas, no update. We got stickers. That was a long time ago. Check out my hat, by the way. I'm the king of rhubarb. I'm the rhubarb king. Nobody dare mess with the rhubarb gang. Share. Be bear. Love it. Yeah. We have no information on Beesmas. No information on any new leaks. No information about Easter. Just on it being lazy. Cause he always is. On it's lazy. Can't deny it. On it's always lazy. Every single time. I sadly think we're not getting another Beesmas update till next, this December. So, you gotta wait a long time before the update. On it spent all his time drawing all those stupid stickers. And what do they affected gameplay? Nothing. We got 0 things that affect gameplay. At least that I can count. Except for, like, bug fixes. I mean, like, look at this. Remember when... it's online right now. Here. Inventory. Remember when I was covering the Beesmas leaks and I went to the decals? First of all, we have some new stuff. Like, look at this. Where are they? They should be around here. Where are they? Page 5? Yes. Remember these bee clips? We were supposed to get chapstick and another chapstick and a ring pop. But no. We didn't even get new bee clips. Nothing. We got nothing. But my sticker stack's looking nice. Here, I'll donate something to it. Why do I... Get out of here. Get out of here. That's already in my stack. I can donate. This chick. This blue chick. Check this out. Why is it lagging? It's lagging so much. And there goes the blue chick. Now we replace it with the red hive. So yeah, there has been nothing in Bee Swarm. Absolutely nothing. Nothing to do. Nothing to grind for. No new quests. There is trading, but after like a week, everybody got tired of it. Because it's just the same thing over and over again. And nothing you can trade except affects gameplay. Except for some bee quips here and there. Did I just get a bee quip from my tacky planner? Recently, I got 2 sweatbands from my tacky planter. Yes, 2. Not in the same tacky planner, but 2 in a row. I got, look, here are they're garbage. But this one's decent, but it's a 1-star. I'll just, I got a beaded, I've never had one of these. That sucks. Convert amount, gathering flames chance, and gathering that blows. That blows. And I'll keep it. See if it comes in handy later. See if I can trade it for something. But just in general, nothing in the community. Why was it not included in this Easter update? It would give us so much new content. It would give us so much. But no. I think like On It had to say, no, I don't want to be in this update. I don't want to update the game. It's too much work. On It's too lazy to get off his bum and update the game. So we're just sitting here, normal Bee Swarm. We have stickers and trading and lots of bugs with it though. We have the nectar condenser, I guess. What else? Nothing. We have nothing in Bee Swarm right now. No new quests, no new items, no new whatever. Here, I'll place that in there. Epilepsy warning for a sticker planner. The description has been the same. Oh yeah, we did get that new code, but that was just because it was the member and On It had to produce something or else he knew the fans would freak out. And the code sucked. I was Blue Hive and it was for bamboo. Bamboo? Seriously? Who honestly collects from bamboo? Come on now. But yeah, there's been nothing to do, nothing to see, nothing to nothing. And I plan on grinding more for the pedal planner for the honey. These are my badges. I mean, he did add that brand new hub field, but who honestly uses the hub field anymore? It's just an old thing On It could add, just so he can get a cheap content grab out of all the people, and they thought it was a real update, just for him to not update his game for several months. We got this sticker update in January. Seriously? I know On It's like a hard-working developer and all, but but like an 8 or 9 month break is pretty extreme. It's no, not pretty extreme, it's very extreme. He seriously, oh my goodness. We have nothing to do. So why not do something? In this video, I don't know what to do. So I'll talk to Buckobee. And then I'll end the video. I just wanted to rant about Bee Swarm. That's the whole thing. We have nothing. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. Everybody, tell on it to get off his bum. See you in the next one. Bye.